Man, look at this sky this morning. We came out to go finish out the weekend of ball games with the great grandkids, basketball today and baseball. And look at that sky. It's awesome. In fact, it's quite pretty. It's almost in full bloom. Like I said the other day when I took it when it was just starting to bloom, this thing is unreal when it blooms out. Look at it. That is quite a tree. Absolutely a tree. Well, I think it's finally reached full bloom. And the main reason I'm thinking it's full bloom is starting to shed right now. And when it starts that, it's over with. The other day before yesterday, I said this tree was in full bloom and it was starting to shed, but boy, was I mistaken. I come out here this morning and look at this thing. That's quite a tree. That rascal just keeps on going and going. It is loaded with blooms. I thought it buried out a week ago. Look at it. I've been photographing this tree for a week, swearing it's gonna die. Well, yeah, it's shedding blossoms like crazy now. But anyway, it's still blooming.